இந்த வீடியோவில் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் நியூ புக்கு சயின்ஸில் யூனிட் 6 நியூக்ளியர் ஃபிசிக்ஸோட புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின், த man-made radioactivity is also known as induced radioactivity, artificial radioactivity. Option D, A and C. Second one, unit of radioactivity is Roentgen, Curie, Becquerel. இது மூணுமே தான். Option D, all the above. Third one, artificial radioactivity was discovered by Irene Curie. Option B. Fourth one, in which of the following no change in mass number of the daughter nuclei takes place? இது வந்து secondary third. Beta decay, gamma decay. Option B, second and third are correct. Fifth one, dash isotope is used for the treatment of cancer? Radio cobalt. Option B. Sixth one, gamma radiations are dangerous because it produces genetic disorder. Option C. Seventh one, lead aprons are used to protect us from gamma radiation. Option C. Eighth one, which of the following statements is or correct? இதில் வந்து third and fourth மட்டும்தான் correct. Ionization power is maximum for gamma rays. Penetrating power of gamma radiation is very high. Option D. Third and fourth are correct. Third and fourth மட்டும்தான் correct. Ninth one, proton-proton chain reaction is an example of nuclear fusion. Option C. 10th one, in the nuclear reaction X612 alpha decay Y Z A, the value of A and Z வந்து 4,8. Option C. 11th one, Kamini reactor is located at Kalpakkam. Option A. 12th one, which of the following is or correct? இதில் வந்து chain reaction takes place in nuclear reactor and an atomic bomb. The chain reaction in a nuclear reactor is controlled. Option 1 and 2 the correct. Answer B. 1 and 2 are correct. Fill in the blanks. 1 Roentgen is equal to 3.7 into 10 to the power of 10 disintegrations per second. Second, positron is an antiparticle of electron. Third one, anemia can be cured by radioion Fe. Ionோட symbol வந்து Fe power 59 isotope. Then abbreviation of fourth question, abbreviation of ICRP, International Commission on Radiological Protection. International Commission on Radiological Protection. At the fifth question, dosimeter is used to measure exposure rate of radiation in humans. Sixth one, gamma ray has the greatest penetration power. Seventh one, YZA gives YZ plus 1A plus X. Then X is electron, beta decay, electron ரெண்டுமே வந்து ஒன்று தான். E ஒரு atomic number, mass number, -1 0. Then eighth one, XZA gives YZA. This reaction is possible in gamma decay. The gamma ஓட symbol இப்படி Y மாதிரி இருக்கிறது. Ninth question, the average energy released in each fusion reaction is about 3.814 into 10 to the power of -12 joule. 10th one, nuclear fusion is possible only at extremely high temperatures of the order of 10 to the power of 7 to 10 to the power of 9 Kelvin. 11th one, the radioisotope of phosphorus P32 helps to increase the productivity of coppers. Then 12th one, if the radiation exposure is 100 or it may cause fatal disease. Then true or false? First, plutonium-239 is a fissionable material. True. Second, elements having atomic number greater than 83 can undergo nuclear fusion. இது வந்து false, ஏன்னா வந்து nuclear fission வரணும். Third one, nuclear fusion is more dangerous than nuclear fission. True. Fourth one, uranium, natural uranium U-238 is the core fuel used in nuclear reactor. இது false, ஏன்னா uranium 235 தான் வந்து correct. And fifth one, if the moderator is not present, then a nuclear reactor will behave as an atomic bomb. True. Sixth one, during one nuclear fission, on an average 2 to 3 neutrons are produced. True. Seventh one, Einstein's theory of mass energy equivalence is used in nuclear fission and fusion. True. அடுத்து match the following. Match 1. Bark, BARC, Mumbai. D. India's first atomic power station, Tarapur. IGCAR, Kalpakkam. First nuclear reactor in India, Apsara. Options 3, 4, 1, 2. Match 2. Fuel, uranium. Moderator, heavy water. Control rods, cadmium rods. Shield, lead. 4, 2, 3, 1. Match 3. Sodi-Fajon, displacement law. Irene Curie, artificial radioactivity. Henry Becquerel, natural radioactivity. Albert Einstein, mass energy equivalence. 3, 1, 4, 2. Match 4. Uncontrolled fission, atom bomb. Fertile material, breeder reactor. Controlled fission reaction, nuclear reactor. Fusion reaction, hydrogen bomb. 4, 3, 2, 1. Match 5. Cobalt 60, leukemia. Iodine 131, thyroid disease. Sodium 24, function of heart. Carbon 14, age of fossil. 4, 3, 1, 2. அதுக்கப்புறம் அனாலஜி பார்க்கலாம். Spontaneous process, natural radioactivity. Induced process, artificial radioactivity. Second, nuclear fusion, extreme temperature. Nuclear fission, room temperature. Third one, increasing crops, radiophosphorus. Effective functioning of heart, radiosodium. Fourth one, deflected by electric field, alpha ray. Null deflection, gamma ray. Then assertion type question. First assertion, a neutron impinging on uranium-235 split into it to produce barium and krypton. Reason, uranium-235 is a fissile material. ரெண்டுமே சரி, but not correct explanation. Both assertion and the reason are true, but the reason is not correct. Not the correct explanation of the assertion. Option B. Second one, assertion, in a beta decay the neutron number decreases by 1. Reason, in beta decay atomic number increases by 1. இதுக்கு வந்து assertion is false, reason வந்து true. Option D. Third one, assertion, extreme temperature is necessary to execute nuclear fusion. In a nuclear fusion, the nuclei of the coolant of the reactants combine, releasing high energy. இதுக்கு வந்து option C. என்னன்னா assertion true, reason வந்து false. அடுத்து fourth one, assertion, control rods are known as neutron seeking rods. Reason, control rods are used to perform sustained nuclear fission reaction. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் ஆப்ஷன் டி. அசர்ஷன் வந்து ஃபால்ஸ், ரீசன் ட்ரூ. ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த லெசனில் இருக்க புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். இதோட நமக்கு வந்து ஃபிசிக்ஸில் இருக்கிற 10th சயின்ஸ் ஃபிசிக்ஸில் இருக்கிற லெசன்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். அடுத்து வேறு ஒரு வீடியோவில் உங்களை மீட் பண்ணுறேன். தேங்க்யூ.